Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to build a chest-to-cam mount for your smartphone or for your camera using nothing but a rope. It's a work in progress, and this is only my 5th version, so try to keep that in mind. You're going to need to measure out enough rope to wrap around your phone 4 times and reach back around both of your shoulders, and then it's got to meet itself under your arms. And you want to leave a bit extra to tie it off. So much rope lying around, you need to find the middle of it to keep it nice and symmetrical. So what I do is I take both ends and I run them through my fingers until I can find the center. Then I pin it with my knee. So the middle of the rope is going to contain a bowline. If you don't know what that is, that's fine. I'm going to show you with this red rope right here. You make a loop in the rope, and then you take the end, pass it through the loop, around the stem, and then back through the hole from which it came. Now if you still don't understand any of that, that's fine. There's a link in the description. You want the size of your bowline to be 1.5 to 2 times the width of your phone. You tie it just like a regular bowline, but instead of using 1 rope, you're using 2. You tighten it up and then you're good to go. So these loops are clearly too big to fit the phone in, but that's actually on purpose. What we're going to do is we're going to make anchors and tighten the loops at the same time. The way you do this is you put the phone through one of the loops and then you measure just how far it goes. And then you tie an overhand to set the size of the loop, and you want it to be not too tight but not too loose. And this process actually needs to be fixed maybe in a later version of the knot, because it involves a lot of guessing and checking and guessing and checking and guessing and checking, but eventually you'll find that the loop goes into 2 loops at the very ending with 2 tinier loops at the very tops of them. Get pwned, fool! You dress the phone with the loops, with the middle being on the top and the anchors being on the bottom. The hard part is now done. So it takes a bit of manipulating and fidangling, but conceptually it's pretty simple. You want a V shape towards the neck, an X shape on the back, and you want to go straight towards the middle in the front. And then you seal it off with half hitches. You put them to the anchors, and you just kind of use whatever knot you want. I like using half hitches on the bites, but I mean, that's because I like to keep my knots and my ropes super continuous, like 60 feet long. You don't have to do that. You can cut yours short. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, now I'm putting on the shirt, the device. It takes a bit of adjustment, but, you know, everything takes adjustment. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Comment any questions, concerns, anything you might have, thoughts. Yep. That's about it. And then I'm going to shut up to show you the test footage. Man, so difficult to do. Yeah.